Good morning, student. In yesterday's period, we learned some part of our lesson Europe and India. In the first paragraph, period of Renaissance, we know which period is known as the period of Renaissance. The period between the 13th to the 16th century is known as the period of Renaissance. Various religious reform movement, reformation and geographical discoveries took place in this period. So this period is also known as the age of Renaissance. Instead the art and literature of Renaissance period depict sentiments and emotions of the human being. And in 1450 AD, Johannes Gutenberg from Germany discovered the printing press. With the discovery of this printing press, many new ideas, concepts, and knowledge reached to the sections of the society. Now we are going to start the second paragraph, religious reform movements. The independent intellectual attacked the old religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church. The independent intellectuals means new generations people attack the old religious ideologies, old religious beliefs of the Roman Catholic Church. They were not ready to accept that ideologies. They were not ready to accept that thoughts. The Christian priests were taking advantage of the ignorance of the people and were indulged in unnecessary rituals. So the Christian people were taking advantage of the ignorance. Ignorance means people were not able to everything, were not able to know everything. They did not know about the religions, they did not know about the reality, and so Christian priests were taking advantage of people's ignorance, and in this way they indulge in unnecessary rituals. They told people the unnecessary rituals. They looted the people in the name of religion, and so due to the ignorance of people, they started to loot people in the name of religion. The movement that began against it is known as religious reform movement. And when people came to know about the Christian priest, so they started a movement against this, and this movement is known as religious reform movement. Due to this movement, human freedom and rationalism gained more importance, and due to this movement, humans' freedom and rationalism became important. The next point is geographical discoveries. In 1453 AD, the Ottoman Turks conquered Constantinople, Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. In 1453 AD, the Ottoman Turk conquered Constantinople, present it is Istanbul, and it was the capital of Byzantine Empire. The overland trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through this city, and the trading routes which join Asia and Europe went through this city, since the Turk blocked this route. But when Turks conquered this city, they blocked the route which joined India and Europe for trading. Since the Turks blocked this route, there was a need of finding alternative trade routes for the European countries to reach Asia, and when the Turks blocked this route, the Europeans find a need. It became necessary for the Europeans to find a new way to reach Asia for its trading. This led to a new phase of geographical discoveries and the necessity of Europeans to reach to Asia. Due to this phase, new geographical discoveries. This phase led to the new geographical discoveries. In this period, we saw 2 points: religious reform movement and geographical discoveries. In our next period, we learn our next point, and today's homework for you is to complete question number 2's Age of Renaissance, the point 3 Age of Renaissance in your notebook. Complete Age of Renaissance point in your notebook. Thank you.